What's up, guys? What's good? What's good? It's your boy Big Forex right here. Okay, so real quick, I just wanna come over here and break down the chart. You know, a quick market analysis, right? Because this week is an NFP week, and you see that the market is just not giving us that vibe, as you guys can see. Price has been consolidating in this zone right here. It's very clear. Just take a look at this is gold, right? This is gold right here. You can see how price is moving still in this range. All right. I took a loss here on Tuesday, and you guys can see how it's just moving, still moving in that same zone. You can see. So price is just still in a range. So for us to decide fully, then we want to see price break above this high or break and close below this. So but today we are able to catch TP1 and TP2, right? We are able to catch TP1 and TP2 on gold. So I called out this trade on my free Telegram channel. So if you're not there, and click the link in my bio to join, right? So yeah. So what are we seeing here on gold? Gold is overall bullish, as you all can see. Gold is overall bullish, and yeah, gold is overall bullish, but we are still on a range right here. And also, this is a key level. I can see it clearly. It's also a key level of support and resistance, of which we don't know what might happen tomorrow. I feel that the US dollar is gonna gain some strength, and then if US dollar is going up, I feel this is gonna drop down. All right, because see what's happened here. Price broke and broke this moving average. So this is just what I feel like is gonna happen by tomorrow, but it's not like uh I am predicting, but I'm just reading the chart. So so we're just gonna see. Let us check here. So here you can see the range is very clear. The range is very clear. And this is why I lost at this level on Monday or Tuesday. So Tuesday, so because this is the kind of market structure, this is the kind of market condition or market structure you should avoid. So only gonna trade when we see a clear breakout of this level below, or a clear breakout of this level uh, up. So if we see a clear breakout above this level, then you're gonna be targeting maybe even 3,000. All right. And then if we see a clear breakout below of this level, then we're gonna be targeting 2,850 or more. All right, because we can still have a gap here. Price opened with a gap this week on gold. So this is my idea. This is a 4 hours chart. I go down to 1 hour so you guys can see clearly. It's a very clear range. Price has been ranging. So basically we want to see a break out of this range for you to continue. And then, yeah, that is all I have for gold on this week. So our expectation this week is just for us to wait. Tomorrow is NFP, so we're gonna wait for this break above or break down below for us to sell or to buy. So yeah, and this is NAS 100, Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been very bearish since this week and past week. Price has been dropping all the way down to hell. All right, following the fundamentals, following the tariffs and all that. Trump all those related stuff, has been a contribution to the market dropping massively. So, and uh, a lot of, there is no much volume. So, the stock market has lost huge money in this drop. All right. So, this is a big loss for the stock market. So, because of these tariffs and all that was imposed by Trump. So here we can see what is happening. So whenever you see a drop on Nasdaq on an indices, all right, you should not panic. All right, it's an opportunity, and it is setting you up for a good buy. It's setting you up for a good buy. So you should be happy whenever you see a drop on Nasdaq because is setting you up uh to make good money. All right. So if you know what you're doing, all right. So here we can see price has been dropping. Now price is heading to 20,000 quarter point. So right, we just want to wait and see if we can get a balance or a consolidation right here, break out of this trend line, retest, then we can target the next level. So from here, if price picks up, we are targeting 22K, and you guys can see it's a very long way. All right, it's a very long way. So what are we waiting? We're waiting to see uh a balance or consolidation, accumulation, whatever you call it. So if you can get that right here, then you want to wait for price to break and close, break above this trend line. All right, then you figure out your demand level for you to buy. So this is simply how we do that on Nasdaq. Same thing, same pattern, same procedure on US 30. So I'm going down to 1 hour time frame so you guys can see. It's simply just what I drew here. You want to wait for price to give you that structure for you to get in. You don't want to hop in and the market will kick you out. So that is why we wait. Right now, price is dropping, 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 dropping. So it might drop down more or it might refuse. So even on Nasdaq, I don't take a sell. All right. I don't take a sell on Nasdaq because the buys, which are way much more better than the sells. All right. If you want to take a sell on Nasdaq, you should be very careful, although the trend is still bearish, right? So, but now I prefer taking the buys on Nasdaq than the sells. I prefer taking the buys on Nasdaq than the sells. So right here, this is simply what it is telling us. So price is still dropping. So if we break below this 20,000, then we wait for a retest or a retracement down to this level 2250, and then we sell it off to 1950. So likely going to see more drops, or we see price pushing up. So um most likely the fundamentals is going to determine what is going to happen tomorrow. So, but following the technicals, we just have to work according to what the trend is presenting to us. As price break this 20,000 level, you just have to wait for a retracement, go down to using your fib level. Then we want to wait for price to just tap into our zone, and then we are good to go. All right, yeah, nothing much we are waiting for. So same thing on US 30. Same thing on US 30, although I'm not a fan of US 30. So let me go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is actually dropping real quick. I'm gonna go to daily time frame for you guys to see. I made an analysis here. I think I dropped it somewhere. I think okay, that's in my Telegram channel. So this is where we are heading to on Bitcoin 71K. All right. Then from there we can know what's next. All right. So because we have uh our demand zone right here and a key level at this level at this 70K, 71K. So yeah, so that's all we have right here. I'll go on the 4 hours. Boom. So this is just what we want to see. Bitcoin is dropping and we want to see more drops. So basically, if the US dollar gains tomorrow, of which that is what is going to happen, we're going to see more drops. So we might see drop on gold and we might see drop on NASDAQ. So guys, this is all I have. Let me check the gold. So basically tomorrow, what I want to see during the NFP is that price will rally, boom, rally up, then give us a rejection and start to drop again. So which means that overall, when price rallies up, then we're gonna see a massive sell. And after price sells off on gold, then we'll be looking for a buy. So what is that? So here, like I said, if price can give us that buy on the US dollar, so that means price is gonna drop real quick to this level. You guys can see this is a demand level, this 28.50, 28 58 zone, then we can reject off of this zone and start to buy. All right, this is likely what we're gonna see tomorrow. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'll leave you guys here. Have a wonderful week ahead. It's almost weekend. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.